Hey, welcome back beautiful people. Today I am going to show you how to get this flawless looking skin with foundation. So now let's get started. I am going to start with moisturizing my skin. To prime my face I am using this Pore Professional Primer from PAC. And after that I am using this concealer to conceal my dark circles. This foundation is a popular one from Estee Lauder. I'm using it on my face. Just blending it. To highlight the high planes, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to blend everything out from the beauty blender. And now I'm just going to set my entire face with the loose powder. It's from PAC. Now just setting my brows with the Anastasia Brow Gel in dark brown shade. And just blending out with the Fully brush. Now I am using this concealer to clean up the lower borders of my brows, so my eyebrows can actually pop out. Now just using my favorite contour palette from Kat Von D just to create the shadow on my face. Now I am using this MAC blush. Now let's just shift to the eye makeup. I am doing the eye makeup from the two palettes, that is Huda Beauty palette and another is Morphe palette. And the base color I am applying with the Kiko palette. And the mascara, we are applying mascara on the lower lashes and the upper lashes. Highlighting my face with the Tarte highlighter. Now just applying the eyeliner. It's from Color Bar. (3D mink eyelashes) and adding the shade in the lower lash, and there adding the highlighter. Now here we come on the lip part. I'm using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade pink. And the last, I am using this setting spray to set my whole makeup, and it's from Urban Decay. Here's the final look.